Good evening. This is Amy with Amy's Sewing Studio. I was hoping I could actually show my face for a few minutes, but it doesn't. The video won't let me switch from showing myself to showing you what I'm going to do. So I just wanted to show you how you can fix a raveling thread on a shirt. I have a shirt right here that I was ironing tonight, and there was a string on it, and I pulled the string and just thought it was not attached, but it was attached. And the shirt has some cross stitching embroidery on it, and I pulled the string and some of the stitches came out. So I wanted to show you how you can do a quick fix on this, so you're not you don't have any more loss of your cool embroidery on your shirt. My apologies, I'm trying to keep this all in the light so you can see, but you can see my thread. I've already gotten my thread on a needle. What I'm going to do is right where my thread is coming through my shirt there, I'm going to put my needle back through the shirt to the wrong side of the shirt, and I'm just going to simply tie a knot. So I'm just going to poke this needle through and turn my shirt into the wrong side and pull the thread through until I feel it stop right there. I'm just going to take a couple little stitches. You won't even notice on the other side. Couple little stitches, one right on top of the other, so I can secure this thread. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to stop before this thread goes all the way through, and I'm going to go through my thread just to make a knot. And I'm just going to pull, and my thread's got a little knot there. So when I look on the other side, I have no more thread, and this thread won't come out anymore, and I won't lose any more stitching, and I can't even tell where I stitched it. So just wanted to show you how to do that, and that would work for a sweater as well. If you have a loose thread coming through on a sweater, you could pull the thread through the sweater and just tie a little knot in it. So have a great evening. Talk to you later.